Hi students, welcome to Good Shepherd's online classes. I am Gigi here. Now we are going to plot 5 simple Python script using NumPy and Matplotlib. Our first program is how to plot one simple equation y is equal to mx plus c in Python. Second one, to evaluate an algebraic expression, that is 10x plus 14. Next one is to plot a quadratic equation using dashed line chart. Next one is to plot sine wave using line chart. The last one is to plot sine and cos wave using line chart. Okay, so we can study one by one. First one is here our first Python script, how to plot y is equal to mx plus c in Python. So this equation y is equal to mx plus c represent a straight line where m is its slope and c is its intercept. I give already given one equation, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So slope is equal to 2 and intercept equal to 1. I also add one function mp dot line space. The line space is to create evenly spaced points in a given interval. So it will return 100 evenly spaced points over the interval -5 to +5. Okay, and here also another specification r dash dash. This is another line style dash dash with the color specification red, and label y is equal to 2x plus 1. I also add one title with the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 1, x label, y label, and also one legend. In that legend, label is equal to y is equal to 2x plus 1. The legend's location is upper left corner of the window. And also another feature is grid. Okay, we can run the script. This is our dashed line style with the red color. Also grid line chart. This is our legend, and the equation. This is title, x-axis, and also y label, y-axis. Legend is at a upper left corner, and also the line space are from -5 to 5. That is in x location, x-axis. X is equal to np dot line space. So in that x-axis from -5 to +5. Okay. Our next one is evaluate another equation. Program to evaluate an algebraic expression 10x plus 14 using line chart. Here also we import NumPy and Matplotlib. In x-axis np dot arrange. In that arrange function, start value 1 and stop value 20. Obviously the step value is equal to 1. The equation 10x plus 14 in y-axis. Title, graph for an algebraic expression, x label, y label, and plot x comma y. Okay, then what about the result? This is our 10x plus 14 equations output. Here we can't predict the values, so we can add one marker here. In that plot x comma y comma marker to find out the values. Okay, marker is equal to single quotes O. Then you can run this script. So it is very easily find out the data points. In this first value is maybe 24, then 34, 44, etc. So here 24, 34, 44, etc. the values. Okay, so we can easily find out the data points. Okay, then our next script is program to plot a quadratic equation using dashed line chart. Okay, so in that quadratic equation, what is quadratic equation? An equation where the highest expression of variable is square. Okay, that is a general formula is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here our feature is dashed line chart. So these are the two important submodules. X value, that means in x-axis np dot a range from -5 to 10. Then in y value, that is the variable is new values, new y values, x value, then star star for exponent into 2 plus 3 into x value plus 1. That is our equation is equal to y is equal to x raised to 2 plus 3x plus 1. So x raised to 2, here x value star star 2 plus 3x, 3 into x value plus 1. Okay, then we plot x value and y value in blue colored dashed line. Title here, label here, y label also here show. Okay, so our quadratic equation is x raised to 2 plus 3x plus 1. That will be labeled here in y value, y axis. Okay, we run the script. This is our output. From -5 to 10, x raised to 2 plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Next our program. It is very simple one. Program for plotting sine wave using line chart. Okay. So in sine wave, y is equal to sin x in that form. So that may be smooth wave that oscillate above and below 0. Sine waves goes through origin. Sine waves represent periodic oscillations. Okay, so in x-axis np dot a range 0 from 10, that line spacing 0.1 interval. In y-axis np dot sine. This is the function to plot the sine wave in that x-axis x value. Then plot x and y-axis y value. Okay. This is our graph. This oscillate from 0 goes through 0. Okay. 0 and minus value, then plus value. are the smooth wave that oscillate above and below 0. Okay, then our last program is we can plot both sine and cos, that is multiple line plot in a single graph. So here declaring x points for sine graph, the same values, same parameters. Here declaring x points for cos graph, the parameters are same. Here start value 0 and value 10. Here also same. The line spacing 0.01, 0.1 interval. Okay. Here the label sin x in the sine graph, in the cos graph cos x. X label, y label. The title sin x and cos x on the same graph. We also add one legend. Here legend also there. Okay. We run the script. Here which one is sine graph? Blue colored one, because this is by default, this is blue colored. In this we plot the values, start value 0, so sine 0 here, the blue colored wave. And what about the cos? We plot here also cos of 0, start value 0, but cos of 0 is 1. So in cos wave, the wave start from 1, because cos of 0 1. Okay, I think all are understood these programs. Thank you.